Thunderforest.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to set up our board project and do the basics. And so we are going to use the Discord.js version 12 module. So first of all, let's go into our project. So here I am in my glitch project. So I will press the new project button and you can choose any of the Hello Express or Hello SQLite. I am gonna choose Hello SQLite. Okay, now go to the server.js file. So select all the text and erase it. Now we are going to define the discord.js module. So type const discord equal to require discord.js, and now we are going to the package.json file. Sorry, I renamed it. So press on the add package and type discord.js and press on the first thing. Okay, so now go back to the server.js. Now type const client equal to new discord.client and a bracket. Okay, so now if the bot is online, we are going to log in the logs. So type client.on ready message message equal to that arrow and brackets. Now we are going to type console.log and brackets and semicolon, that quotation marks, and writing the bot is ready to go. Okay, bot is ready to go. And now we are going to set the activity of our bot. So type in client.user.set activity and bracket and add in the activity. So I am going to add the in development. Okay, so now the activity and the consoles are done. Now we are going to log in, so the bot will be online. So type in client.login and config.token. No, I am going to use the token itself. Okay, then we will define the token. Okay, so type in const token. I am also going to define the prefix. So const prefix and token equal to require the config.json file. So equal to require config.js file. Okay, so now we are going to create the config.json file. So click on new file and type in config.json and add this file. Okay, so now we are going to write the prefix and token. So now we are going to write prefix and define the prefix as 2 exclamation marks, and the token which you can find in the Discord developers portal. So let us go to the Discord developers portal and take the token. Okay, so click on copy to take it and go back to the project and now paste it there. So okay, so I have pasted it. Now I am going to create a command which is ping. So we will test whether the bot is working. So now client.on message, then message equal to arrow and brackets. Okay, so now we are going to do the if message.content equal to prefix ping, which will make that if a user types in 2 exclamation marks and ping, it will reply with the thing we will say. Okay, so I have done that. Now I am going to make the command reply, so I will add a new brackets. Okay, so message.channel.send, which this will make the bot reply to the in the channel. Okay, message.challenge set. Okay, now pong and client.ws.ping ms. So it will give the ms of the bot speed. So we are now done with the command, so let's go back and see whether our bot is on. It's online and the status is also there in development. Okay, now we are going to test the command we just made, that is ping. Wait, that is pong. I misspelled. Okay, let's try again. Ping. Okay, it works, guys. So it worked. So be sure to subscribe and like the video for more. Yeah, share this with your friends, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.